Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Early Brainy. Today we learn birds' name and their sound. Birds. Birds are large group of animals. They have backbone. They have backbone and warm-blooded. All birds have two legs, wings, feathers, a beak, and they lay eggs. There are more than 10,000 species of birds in the world. Birds eat different types of food. Some eat insects, some eat nuts and fruits, some eat fish, some eat meat. Most of the birds fly, but few birds like penguin and ostrich cannot fly. Birds have colorful feathers. The feather of a male bird is brighter than the female bird. Peacock screams. Peacock. Hummingbird whistles. Hummingbird. Pigeon coos. Pigeon. Woodpecker drumming noise. Woodpecker. Sparrow chirps. Sparrow. Myna chirps, clicks, and whistles. Myna. Canary, relaxing melody sound. Canary. Flamingo, grunting and growling. Flamingo. Ostrich, hissing noise. Ostrich. Eagle whistles. Eagle. Vulture, hissing noise. Vulture. Toucan, croaking. Toucan. Duck quacks. Duck. Parrot talks. Parrot. Penguin squawks. Penguin. Macaw squawks. Macaw. Swallow chirps. Swallow. Crow caws. Crow. Dove coos. Dove. Owl hoots. Owl. Rooster crows. Rooster. Hen clucks. Hen. Hope you find useful seeing this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.